Good morning, everyone. I miss you all. This is Mr. Abdullah, and today we're going to start with our first assignment with ICT. I need everyone to see the steps I'm going to do for today, and you need to do the same things for all the assignment coming later. First thing, you're going to open your Odmodo from your iPad or from your computer. For example, I use here one of the students, Odmodo. It's Ali Mutwalli from 3G. For example, you already logged in to the account. For sure, you know your username and password. Directly when you go to the Odmodo, if you want, for example, want to do the ICT, check the ICT page, you go to the ICT, or you will find the notifications comes out here, the latest things. There is many things here coming out from you already posted. Okay, directly is much better. You go to the ICT page, then when you come here you will see Mr. Abdullah already post an assignment. Before you do anything, you need to read it carefully before you sending to the teacher what I need to do. You need to read all the things here. For example, today is our objective is to create a list of UAE population using Microsoft Excel, and our success criteria to remember how to insert word art, applying borders, and design the list and add a clip arts. Okay. Here the lesson description. This lesson we will be using Microsoft Excel to create a table for UAE population. It means you must have a computer, laptop. You have Microsoft Excel. For sure we need Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. For the others, later on, we're going to use it in the future for the next week. Okay, this is I have mentioned before that you need to get Microsoft Office in your computer. We are not using the iPad. Guys. Okay, here we go. Then you have here, please check the attached file material required. Attached file here, this is the steps. Let me open it. You click on it. When you click on it, it will open the steps what we're going to do today. Go following the steps. I'm going to show you everything right now. This is for any assignment while you are doing your work. Okay, this is done. Just I show you how to open it. Here also another attachment. There is a photo. This is how it's look like your assignment today on the end. You can open it in somewhere like this. Then you go and open Microsoft Excel. I can keep it open that I can check it later on. Also, there is here a video for this video that I'm taping right now. This is the link for it. You click on it, it will open in YouTube. But because the video is not ready yet, just click on the video, it will go to the YouTube. Okay. Then let's start our lesson. First thing, as you know, before we start the lesson, and also I want you to create your own folder. This is I did it before with you on the others in the other video. For sure, you're going to the file, then you go to documents. If you don't have a file here for yourself, you can right click, new folder. Today I'm using Ali, it's Ali 3G. I have done a folder for myself. Then I don't need this, I can close it. Then I will go and open what? Microsoft Excel. Start. If you cannot find it, I ask you to type, just write Excel. You see here, this is because this is different Windows. This is Windows 8 Excel 2013. Just type directly to find the Excel. If you didn't find it, it means you don't have Office in your computer, and you need to ask your parents to help you to install Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Office in your computer. Okay, here we go. I open the Excel. Okay, for example, I already typed the information. You need to type it. It's already here. The first step, we need to start writing from number 7. Okay, first step, what you will do, For example, this is it's open for you here and you are working. How you look to the other side? You go to the Google Chrome that you already opened, and here you already opened that pictures. It shows how it looks like the output. You're gonna look here and see what you need to do, and also the steps that I do it for you as well. You can open the steps as well here, or you can watch this video. Okay, here is mentioned open Microsoft Excel, type the exercise, all these things you go following the steps. You're going to write city, population, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, and we're going to write the population numbers here. There is one thing someone will ask me, Mr. how to add this kind of comma here. You see this comma? 2,784,498.90. How to put this comma here? For example, this is your keyboard. You see next to the M, there is a comma here. M letter, next button is this, the comma. Okay? Very good. Now let's start insert the word art. The first thing we need to do is going to insert word art. Sometimes it's different. Maybe in your computer you will have Windows Microsoft Office 2010 or 2013, or there is new versions, many things there. You can use any of them. Most of them they are look like same. There is no any different. Just go to insert. Then I'm looking for what? Word art. Here, you see this logo here, this is a small one. Click on the word art. Then I select the design that I need. Then directly I can move it from outside border. Move it here. You see this border outside that I can hold it, and I see this 4 arrows, then I can move it anywhere. But when I go move it up, this is not allowed. You need to make sure you move it somewhere here. Okay, then you start typing. You're gonna delete this, then you start typing UAE population. Make it in capital, is much better. Okay, and if it's not going there, you just adjust it again. Then you're going to fill this information. Okay, what we're going to do here, all of them, when you write it, it will be like this. We need all of them where? Center. Okay, then we need all of them bold, and all of them size 14. Okay, what's the size? Size 14. Then you go here for the titles, the city and population. Highlight both of them or select them. You just add for them, underline, fill color, any color you like. Then you can change the font color from here to red. Okay, I'm done from this part. Okay, I don't need to add anything more. And yes, in the end you need to add what? You need to add borders. If this border is not there, how you need to add it? You go to the borders and select what? All borders. But you need to highlight. For example, this one is there is no borders. You want to make border here, for example, as I showed you before. Then you go to the borders and say what? All borders. There is a borders done there, but you don't need it actually. How you remove it if you do any border by mistake? You highlight them again, then you go to the borders and say what? No borders here. The last step is you need to insert a clip art, right? You click insert picture or online picture. This is the clip art. Online pictures here. My office is different. It's here, it's 2013. You're gonna click online pictures or insert clip art, as you know. Then you start searching for the UAE flag. Okay, I find it. I can select any of them, then I click insert. It will come here. You need to resize it as you know how. Then Still big. We can resize it more, make it smaller. I want it to fit down of your here the table. And the last things we need to do, you need to write your name to make sure this is your file when you submit it later on. Done by, is much better you write your section as well. Write Ali 3, Ali Mitwalli, for example, 3G. You know, before you're working and you do anything, you know that you need to save, right? Okay, let's save again. Click File, Save, or directly you click where? Save. Then where you want to save it. For example, you click Browse. Then you go to your file, Ali 3G, and what we call it, we double click, we open the file first, then we call it UAE Population. Then you can find it later on easy when you need to submit it to your teacher. Then you click Save. I'm done here already. Let's see how to submit. Just I will show you very fast how you submit it, because I know many of the students are going to ask me how to submit our work. I'm gonna close it because I'm done. Then I go to my page on Odmodo. Then I go to the assignment for today. Then I click Open. I already opened the assignment. How to send this file? I need to attach this file. Click Attach, File from Computer. I want to show you something here as well before we're going to attach. Some students will tell me he don't have Word or Excel or PowerPoint. You can go directly before, if you don't have, you can go and click Create Word document, PowerPoint, Excel. You can start doing from here directly from the Odmodo. If you don't have Excel or Word or PowerPoint in your computer at home, you can use it directly from the Odmodo here and do the same things. Then in the end you click what? Turn in. See how it's easy is? If you don't have Word, Excel, PowerPoint in your computer at home, you can use it from here directly. Okay? I'll close it this one because I don't need it. Then I go here, for example, already attached that one, because we didn't attach it, the one we are using from here. Then I click Attach, File from Computer. Then I can go to Documents, Ali 3G. Then I select the UAE Population. Then I click Open. It will go to attach this one as well. Then I click what? Turn in Assignment. And after you click Turn in Assignment, it will ask you, are you ready to turn on the assignment? Yes, turn in. Okay, I'm not going to do this because Ali is going to submit his work later on. I'm going to delete this later, remove if you don't want it, and you click this, remove if you submit something by mistake before you turn in. Okay guys, this is all for today. I hope everyone to submit their work before the due date, and you can contact me through messages all the time on the Odmodo. Okay guys, see you and have a nice day.